Welcome back, everyone. I'm Erica Fernandez, and I'm joined here this morning by Melissa Tolan-Halleck, who is the Community Health Education Coordinator at Alpena Regional Medical Center. Melissa, thank you so much for being here.
Good morning.
Good morning. So next month, February, is Heart Health Awareness Month. But can you tell me, why is heart health awareness so important?
Heart health awareness is a time of the year that we really bring awareness to heart health, and in particular in women in health, but overall. We know that 1 in 3 women are at risk and develop heart disease. 80% of that, though, is preventable. Okay. So it's one of those things that we need to talk about because it's so preventable. There are some pretty high risk factors, and those risk factors are smoking, inactivity, if you have high blood pressure. Those are some of the high risk factors, and all of those things are preventable. Yeah. So it's one of those things we want to bring awareness to.
Absolutely. And so how is ARMC bringing or celebrating Heart Health Month?
We're celebrating Heart Health Month in several ways throughout the whole month. We are having on February 5th, it's Wear Red Day. And Wear Red Day means it's really the push for women in health and heart disease. Okay. And women in particular, because there's really different symptoms, signs for heart disease with women. So on February 5th, you can come to our Health Resource Center all day. We'll be giving away red pins if you have any red on. And then also, if you can commit to spreading the word, so we'll have some tips, or not tips and tools, but signs and symptoms cards, and just really good information, small cards on heart health. If you can commit to taking those, take 4 of them with you, you can enter into a drawing. So that's all you have to do is come in, get the cards, and you are entered into a drawing, and we're giving away a really nice heart health package that day. And then also in the morning, you can get a health screening. So it's a full heart health blood screening that we will analyze at the hospital, and a BMI and your blood pressure. You can get all of that done for $20. So you don't have to bring in insurance or anything. It's just like an additional, if you want to get additional blood work throughout the year, this is a good time to do that. We don't offer it very often, but for heart health, we thought it's a great extra awareness piece. Yeah. So you do have to register for that, but you can look on our website or just call registration 7 to 9 a.m. on February 5th, which is a Friday. Okay. And then also that day we'll have red meals and heart health meals, everything red that day in the cafe. So there's another way to celebrate. Perfect. And then on February 20th, we're doing a snowshoe walk tour for heart. And at this event, we'll have all kinds of information. It's from 11 to 12:30 on that day. We'll have snowshoe use, free snowshoe use. If you don't have snowshoes, we'll have plenty of those available. There's some new trails around there. We're going to have some, so hopefully some fat tire demonstration, some biking. There's some new biking trails if you're not aware, winter biking trails. Okay. We'll have chili, hot chocolate. It'll just be an hour and a half of outdoor fun for the whole family. And of course, if you have fun with that and wear some red, we're giving away a nice health package also. Awesome. So it's a fun day to come out with your family and wear some red and have fun with it, be creative. Yeah, absolutely. And it sounds like a jam-packed month next month, for sure. Absolutely. So tell us, why is it so important to bring awareness to the community about Heart Health Month? Well, as I had mentioned, it is really, we know blood pressure and we know smoking are 2 of the highest risk factors. Well, we want our community to know this. We want our community to know these things and spread awareness. And so the best way to do that is reaching into the community and making people aware and knowing that we can do something about this. There's a new initiative, A Million Hearts, and this initiative is really pushing forward and saying they're going to stop 1 million hearts and 1 million strokes over the next year. Perfect. So with that being said, going back to the smoking cessation, one of the best things we can do is quit smoking and look at our diet and increase activity, thus the snowshoe tour. And then also a small statistic that goes along with that, if you are a smoker, you're 4 times more likely to have a heart attack. Okay. And if you're a smoker, you're 3 times more likely to have a heart attack and 4 times more likely to have a stroke. Okay. So those are some pretty big numbers. Yeah, absolutely. And so if our community is aware of that, we think we can make some changes. Of course. Well, it sounds like you guys have a lot planned to help bring awareness to that. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. Absolutely.